DJT Stock Analysis and DJT Stock Prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump Media stock sitting at $31.45, 1.3% up for the day. I'm like, when I'm looking at DJT, is I saw a clean 4-hour break above here and a good opportunity to take it up. But is it a random buy right from here? No. That's why I'm waiting for these. Like, I have 2 lines here. What does that mean? I'm waiting for like a 1-hour double break. Looked at a 2-hour chart. Don't like it. 1 hour is still enough. If I see a full candle close above 3 first of all, not 1 candle break, but 2 double breaks, and that's above 31.45, a little upside movement, a pull down, and if there is a break above the second range, only then I'll take it up again. So I'll continue to keep you updated and stay tuned. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just check the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars, and that's it.